1 year since President Obama signed the Health Care Reform Act into law. New surveys say that only 1 out of 8 of us have felt a positive impact so far. 9 News reporter Bill Price is live to look at the very mixed reaction to health care reform in the tri-state. Bill?
Well, the Affordable Health Care Act, as supporters call it, or Obamacare as it's referred to by opponents, brought with it both high hopes and big fears how it might change health care. Well, today, a year after it was enacted, it seems different people in the tri-state are finding they're affected in different ways by the first part of the law to go into effect. At the Mount Lookout Joe's Coffee Shop, the owners are worrying about a lot more than just how to roast the best coffee. They've also been looking for new ways to stretch their health care dollars, cover up to 3 full-time employees and at least 12 part-timers.
I don't feel that it's done a lot of benefit for us. Frankly, there was a lot of paperwork initially to get things rolling, but for the most part, we've only seen costs increase.
There were hopes the coffee shop could finally start offering health insurance to part-timers, but they couldn't afford it this year.
In terms of hoping that there had been more changes, certainly, yes. That I just don't see it has really improved the situation yet.
However, there may be some tax credit help on the way sooner rather than later for the coffee shop, according to a health reform legal expert.
If they have 25 or fewer employees, or if they have average wages of, I think, $25,000 or less, then they can get a 35% tax credit.
Among the other first-year health care benefits, a high-risk pool. Insurers can't discriminate against pre-existing conditions in children. More prescription discounts for seniors on Medicare. And many University of Cincinnati students and recent graduates are already seeing some health care changes they like. Those between 18 and 26 can stay on their parents' health insurance policies until they can finally get their own.
It makes it a lot easier to make a living, get my feet on the ground as a young adult, because more jobs are available to me and that I don't have to worry about them supplying the benefits of health insurance.
Now, later this week, the White House is planning a nationwide campaign call attention to the benefits of the act, including having some supportive news conferences here in the tri-state. Now, the coffee shop is still working on its taxes, so it's still possible they could get a tax credit for the health insurance it does provide. Carol?
All right, thanks a lot, Bill.